Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
So here the second part from chapter GST from the book of ML Agarwal. For the first part, please check the description box of this video. So now in this video, I am going to start sum number 8. A shopkeeper buys a camera at discount 20% from the wholesaler and the printed price of the camera being 1600. So 1600 is the printed price and the rate of discount is 20%. The shopkeeper sells it to a consumer at the printed price. If the sales are interest rate and the rate of GST is 12%, so first GST paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. Okay, so here the printed price is 1600 and rate of discount is 20%. So the cost price of the camera for shopkeeper, that will be 1600 into 100 minus 20 by 100, so that equal to rupees 1280. So 1280 is the cost price. Now GST paid by shopkeeper as 12% is the GST, so here 1280 into 6 by 100, that will be 76.80. okay, so that means GST paid by the consumer as consumer buy the product as rupees 1600, so the GST paid by the consumer will be 1600 into 6 by 100, that equal to rupees 96. Now here the first problem, GST paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. So GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government, that will be 96 minus 76.80, that means output CGST minus input CGST, so that equal to 19.20. and next GST received by the central government, and that will be 7680 plus 1920. okay, that means input CGST plus the output CGST minus input CGST. So 76.80 plus 1920, that is 96.00. Now part 3, GST received by the state government. So as GST received by the central government is 96 rupees, so it will be same GST received by the state government also 96 rupees. The amount at which the consumer bought the camera, so the cost price of the camera for the consumer will be the selling price, that is 1600 plus the GST, that means CGST and SGST. So 1600 plus 96 plus 96 are equal to 1792. Now the next problem, sum number 9. Sum number 9 will be the same problem, so I hope you can do it. So now I am going to solve sum number 10. Sum number 10, the printed price of an article is 50,000. okay, the wholesaler allows discount 10% to the shopkeeper. So 50,000 is the printed price and the CP of the shopkeeper are equal to 10% discount. So 50,000 into 100 minus 10, that is 90. So 90 by 100, that equal to 45,000. So 45,000 is the cost price for the shopkeeper. Now the shopkeeper sells the article to the consumer at 4% above the marked price. Okay, so when the shopkeeper buy this product at 45,000, then the GST paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler, as the total GST is 18%, it's given. So that means here the GST paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler is 45,000 into 9 by 100, that equal to 4050. okay, 4050 is the CGST or SGST. Now next, the cost price for the consumer, as the shopkeeper sells the article to the consumer at 4% above. So here the price will be 50,000 into 100 plus 4. okay, so that means 50,000 into 104, so 52,000 is the cost price for the consumer. So when the consumer buy this product from the shopkeeper as 52,000, then he have to pay the GST, that means CGST and output CGST and input CGST. So here 52,000 into 9 by 100, that means 4680 as the output CGST or the output SGST. So here the first problem, the amount inclusive of tax which the shopkeeper pays to the article. So GST plus the amount paid by the shopkeeper to the article, as the GST are, that means input CGST and input SGST 4050 plus 45,000. So that equal to 53100. Now next, the amount paid by the consumer to the article. So here the amount, the selling price will be 52,000 and with output CGST and output SGST, that equal to 61360. Now number 3, the amount of tax paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. Okay, so the GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government, that will be 4680 as the output CGST minus 4050 input CGST, so that equal to 630. Now the last one, the amount of tax received by the state government. So here GST paid by to the state government, that is 4050 plus 630, that equal to 4680. Now sum number 11 are same kind of problem, so I hope you can solve it. Now I am going to solve sum number 12. A shopkeeper buys an article from a manufacturer for rupees 12,000 and marks up its price 25%. Okay, marks up its price 25%. So the CP of shopkeeper is equal to 12,000 and the mark price will be 25% more. So 12,000 into 12500, that equal to 15,000. Now the shopkeeper gives a discount of 10%. So after giving the 10% discount, the price will be 15,000 into 10% discount, that means 100 minus 10, so 90 by 100, that equal to 13,500. And he gives further off season discount of 5% on the balance to a customer of TV. Okay, so again 5% discount. So CP of for the consumer or of the consumer, that equal to 1350 and again 5% discount. So 100 minus 5, that means 95 by 100 by the 100, that equal to 12825. So 12825 is the cost price for the consumer of that TV. Now if the sales are interstate and the GST are 12%, okay, the sales are interstate and the GST are 12%, then first the price inclusive of tax which the consumer pays for the TV. Okay, so first the GST paid by the consumer, that will be the selling price 12825 into 6 by 100. 6 means the half of 12%. So 6 by 100 equal to 769.50. So 769.50 is the output CGST or the input output CGST or the output SGST. So for the first problem, the amount paid by the consumer will be 12825 as the selling price plus output CGST plus output SGST, that equal to 14,364. Now number 2, the amount of tax paid by a shopkeeper to the state government. Okay, so CGST paid by shopkeeper to the state government, that will be output CGST, output SGST as state government. So output SGST minus input SGST, and as the selling price for input case there will be 12,000, so 12,000 into 6%, that equals 720. So 49.50 is the GST paid by the shopkeeper to the state government. Now the last one, the amount of tax received the central government. So here the amount of received by central government, that equals 720 plus this one 49.50, so 769.50 is the final answer. Sum number 13. The printed price of an article is 40,000. A wholesaler in Uttar Pradesh buys the article from the manufacturer in Gujarat at a discount of 10%. So printed price 40,000 and cost price for the wholesaler, that equal to 10% discount. So 40,000 into 90 by 100 equal to 36,000. On the printed price, the wholesaler sold the article at the retailer in Himachal Pradesh 5% above the printed price. Okay, so CP for the retailer, that equal to 40,000 into 5% above. So 105 by 100 is equal to 42,000. So CP for the wholesaler 36,000 and CP for the retailer 42,000. Now here the GST is 18% is given. First, the amount inclusive of tax paid by the wholesaler for the article. Okay, so the wholesaler buys the article at rupees 36,000. So here the tax paid by the wholesaler 36,000 into 18 by 100, and that equal to 6480. Now next, the amount the tax paid by the retailer, that will be 42,000 as the selling price. So 42,000 into 18 by 100 is 7650. Okay, so the wholesaler paid the tax 6480 and the tax paid by the retailer, that is 7560. Now here the first question, the amount inclusive of tax paid by the wholesaler for the article. So for the article, first the wholesaler will pay the cost price, that is 36,000 plus the GST 6480, so that will be 42480. Okay, 42480. Now number 2, the amount paid by the retailer. So for the retailer, first you have to pay the amount of the cost price, that is 42,000 plus the GST 7560, so 49560. Now number 3, tax paid by the wholesaler to the central government. So here 7560 output CGST minus input CGST, that equal to 1080, and amount of tax received by the central government, that is 6480 input CGST plus the output CGST minus input CGST, that means this one 1080. So 6480 plus 1080 are equal to 7560. Now sum number 14, again similar kind of problem, so I hope you can solve it. So now sum number 15, a shopkeeper in Delhi buys an article at the printed price of 24,000, okay, from a wholesaler in Mumbai. Okay, the shopkeeper sells the article to the consumer in Delhi at the profit of 15% on the basic cost price if the rate of GST is 12%. Okay, so here given the GST is 12%, the printed price of the article is 24,000. So CP for the consumer, that is 24,000 into 15%, okay, profit. Okay, so 15 into 100 by 100, that equal to 27600. So 27600 is the price, that means cost price for the consumer. So here the tax paid by a shopkeeper to the wholesaler. So as the shopkeeper buys the product at 24,000, so 24,000 into 12 by 100, that will be 2880. So 2880 is the total tax paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler. Now next, tax paid to the shopkeeper by the consumer. Okay, so in consumer, here the selling price is 27600. So 27600 into 6 by 100, that is 1656. So 1656 is the output CGST or output SGST. You can also find it the total tax as 27600 into 12 by 100. Okay, as here that is the half tax, that means half portion to CGST and half portion to SGST. You can also find it the total tax by multiply with 12 by 100. Now the first question, amount paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler. So as the printed price is the selling price, so 24,000 plus the tax, that is 2880. So 26880 is the amount paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler. Now next, amount paid by the consumer to the shopkeeper. Okay, so 27600 is the selling price plus the tax, that means CGST and SGST. So 1656 plus 1656, so that will be 30912. Number 3, amount of tax received by the state of Delhi. Okay, so in case state of Delhi, the tax paid by the consumer, that is 1656 into 2 as CGST and SGST, then minus tax paid by the shopkeeper, that is 2880. Okay, that means output tax, output CGST and SGST minus input tax, so that will be 432. So 432 is the answer. Now the last one, IGST given by the wholesaler. Last one, the amount of tax received by the central government. Okay, so in that case, IGST given by the wholesaler plus the GST given by the shopkeeper. Okay, so there are different state, that means IGST given by the wholesaler will be 2880, but GST given by the shopkeeper will be nil, as the product as they are belong in the different state. So here only IGST will be applicable. Okay, so here 2880 is the answer. Here sum number 16, a dealer in Maharashtra buys an article from a wholesaler in Maharashtra at the discount of 25%. Okay, the printed price of the article is 20,000. The printed price of the article is 20,000. He sells the article to the consumer in Telangana at the discount of 10% on the printed price if the rate of GST is 12%. Okay, so first here first you have to find out the tax paid by the wholesaler to the governments. Okay, so first as 20,000 is the cost price, so first you have to find out the discount over 20,000. Okay, so 20,000 into 25% discount, that means 75 by 100. So 15,000 is the price after discount 25%. Okay, so the tax paid by the wholesaler to the government, that is SGST, paid by the wholesaler to the government, that equal to 15,000 into the half of GST, that means 6 by 100. So that equal to 900. So 900 rupees to the Maharashtra government, that means SGST. So also CGST will be also 15,000 into 6 by 100. So that equal to also 900 rupees. Now next, number 2, the tax paid by the dealer to the government. Okay, so in that case the dealer gives the discount 10%. Okay, so first you have to find out the after discount 10%, what will be the selling price. So 20,000 and 10% discount, so 90 by 100, so that equal to rupees 18,000. Okay, now over 18,000, the sale are interstate, so all the tax are given to the central government. Okay, so all the tax are given to the central government. So here CGST equal to output minus input. So what is the output tax? So 18,000 into 12 by 100, and input tax 15,000 into 12 by 100. Okay, so here it will be 360 as the IGST to the central government. Okay, so 360 is the IGST to the central government. Now number 3, next part. In part 3, the amount which the consumer pays for the article. Okay, so here as first the amount, that means the SP, that is 18,000. Okay, now over 80,000 the consumer have to pay the tax. The tax is 18,000 into 12 by 100, as 12% is GST. So that equal to 18,000 plus 2160, so that will be 20160. So 20160 is the answer. Sum number 17. Kiran purchases an article for rupees 5310, which include 10% rebate on the marked price and 18% tax on the remaining price. Find the marked price of the article. So let the printed price be X. So CP of that article, 10% rebate, that means 10% discount. So X into 90 by 100 is 9X by 100. Sorry, 9X by 10. That is the CP of the article. Now here the amount of GST will be 18% over 9X by 100. So 9X by 10 into 18 by 100. So that is the amount of GST. As Kiran purchases an article for rupees 5310, so according to the problem, the price, that means the cost price plus the tax, that will be equal to 5310. The cost price plus the tax, that is equal to 5310. So in that case 9x by 10 will be common, so 1 plus 18 by 100, that equal to 5310. Okay, so here 9x by 10 into 118 by 100, that 5310. So from that x equal to 5000. So x equal to 5000 is the final answer. So here the last problem, sum number 18. So my dear student, I hope you like my video. Please share this video and please support my channel. So here in sum number 18 it said a shopkeeper buys an article whose list price is 8,000. Okay, so here the list price is 8,000 at some rate of discount from a wholesaler. Suppose let the discount will be X%. Okay, he sells the article to the consumer at the list price. Okay, so after giving So after given X% discount given by the wholesaler, the price will be 8000 into 100 minus X by 100. Okay, so that will be 80 into 100 minus X. Okay, so 80 into 100 minus X, that is the selling price. Now next, the sales are intrastate and the rate of GST is 18%. If the shopkeeper pay a tax of 72 to the state government, find the rate of discount at which he bought the article the wholesaler. So here the CP of the article, here the CP of the article for shopkeeper, that equal to 80 into 100 minus X, that is the CP. Further given CP of the article for the consumer, that equal to 8000 again. Okay, as he sells the article to the consumer at the list price and the list price are 8000 it said. So here the CP for article for the consumer, that equal to 8000. And the sales are intrastate and GST is 8%. So that means CGST will be 9%, SGST will be also 9%. Now amount of GST paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler. Amount of CGST paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler. So here SGST equal to CGST, that equal to the price 80 into 100 minus X into 9 by 100. Okay, so that is the CGST and SGST. Now amount of GST of shopkeeper. Okay, so the amount of GST of the shopkeeper, that will be 72 by 10 into 100 minus X. Now next thing you have to find out the amount of GST paid by the consumer to the shopkeeper. So again another SGST, that means this on the output, the previous one the input, this one the output. So that will be 8000 rupees by into 9 by 100. So that equal to 1720. So 1720 is the output CGST paid by the consumer to the shopkeeper. Now here, thus the tax paid by the shopkeeper to the state government, the formula will be output SGST minus input SGST, and that equal to, it's given 72 rupees. Okay, so here output SGST will be 720, then minus 72 by 10 the input one, and that equal to rupees 72. Okay, now in this equation you have to first find out the value of X. So first 72 will be common, so it becomes 10 minus 1 by 10 into 100 minus X, and that equal to 72. So 72 cancel. So here 10 equal to 1 by 100 minus 10 plus 1. Okay, plus 1 for as 72 cancel out, so it becomes 1, and this one 1 by 10 100 minus X will be goes in right hand side. So 10 equal to 1 by 10 into 100 minus X plus 1. Okay, so now here if you multiply this 10 with here, so first you have to add this one, so 100 minus X plus 10. Okay, and this 10, the denominator 10 will be goes this side, then left hand side, so 10 into 10 is becomes 100. So 100 cancel out, so here X equal to 10. So 10% is the final answer.